वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो में हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे एनाटॉमी और फिजियोलॉजी का चैप्टर नंबर 4, जिसमें हम लोग पढ़ेंगे ब्लड के बारे में। तो चलिए सबसे पहले हम लोग पढ़ते हैं डिफिनेशन ऑफ ब्लड। ब्लड इज ए फ्लूइड कनेक्टिव टिश्यू। इट सर्कुलेट्स कंटिन्यूसली अराउंड द बॉडी, propelled by the pumping action of the heart. It transports oxygen, nutrients, hormone, heat, antibody and cell of the immune system, clotting factor and the wastage. So ब्लड इज द कनेक्टिव टिश्यू, मीन्स ब्लड जो है वो हमारे बॉडी का कनेक्टिव टिश्यू है और ये हमारे बॉडी में डिफरेंट मटेरियल को फ्रॉम वन बॉडी पार्ट टू अनदर बॉडी पार्ट ले जाने में हेल्प करता है। नेक्स्ट, blood is a composed of clear straw colored watery fluid called plasma, in which several different types of blood cells are suspended. Plasma normally constitutes 55% of the volume of blood and the cell functions 45%. Blood cell and the plasma can be separated by centrifugation or by the simple gravity. When blood is allowed to stand, the cells are heavier than plasma and shrink at the bottom of the sample. Means the cell present in the blood is heavier than the plasma. So in centrifugation process, the cell settle down on the base of the solution. Next, blood makes up about 7% of body weight, about 5.6 liter in 70 kg men. A person whose weight is 70 kg have approximately about 5.6 liter of blood present in their body. This proportion is less in human and considerably greater in children, gradually decreases until the adult level is reached. Total blood volume in adult is about 80 ml per kg body weight, and in females 70 ml per kg in the females. It means a person whose weight is 70 kg have approximately 5.6 liter of blood in their body, and the total blood volume in adult is 80 ml, means when our 1 kg body part consists of 80 ml of blood in males and 1 kg of body part constitutes in female 70 ml of blood. नेक्स्ट हम लोग पढ़ते हैं प्लाज्मा। मेनली the main constituents of the plasma is water, means in plasma 90 to 92% only water is present, but plasma carry a range of dissolvent substance include, it means total 100%, in 100% 90 to 92% plasma contain water, and the rest 8 to 10% it consists of plasma protein, inorganic salt, न्यूट्रेंट, वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट, हार्मोन एंड गैसेस। नेक्स्ट हम लोग पढ़ते हैं प्लाज्मा प्रोटीन। प्लाज्मा प्रोटीन which makes up about 7% of plasma are normally retained within the blood because they are too big to escape from the capillary pore into the tissue. This is called plasma protein and its constituents in our blood. नेक्स्ट हम लोग पढ़ते हैं सेलुलर कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट्स ऑफ ब्लड, सेलुलर कंटेंट ऑफ ब्लड। फर्स्ट, देयर आर 3 टाइप ऑफ ब्लड सेल। इट मीन्स इन आवर ब्लड देयर आर 3 टाइप ऑफ सेल इज प्रेजेंट। फर्स्ट वन इज इरिथ्रोसाइट, दैट इज रेड ब्लड सेल। सेकेंड वन इज ल्यूकोसाइट, इट मीन्स वाइट ब्लड सेल, एंड द लास्ट वन इज प्लेटलेट। प्लेटलेट इज also known as thrombocytes. Most blood cells are synthesized in red bone marrow. It means red bone marrow is the factory of blood formation. Some lymphocytes additionally are produced in lymphoid tissue. Next, in the bone marrow, all blood cells originated from pluripotent. Pluripotent means capable of developing into one of a number of cell type. नेक्स्ट हम लोग पढ़ते हैं सेकेंड वन that is erythrocyte, that is red blood cell. Red blood cell are by far the most abundant type of blood cell. It means mainly our blood consists of red blood cell. Approx 99% of all blood cells are erythrocyte. They are biconcave disc shaped with no nucleus, and their diameter is about 7 micrometer. The main function is to transport of gases, mainly oxygen, but they also carry some carbon dioxide. It means erythrocyte, that is red blood cell, is very important for our body and the blood. नेक्स्ट हम लोग पढ़ते हैं लाइफ स्पेन एंड फंक्शन ऑफ द एथ्रोसाइट. Erythrocyte, they have no nucleus. Erythrocyte cannot divided and so need to continuously replaced by the new cell from the red bone marrow. When red blood cell do not have nucleus, it means it cannot be divided. So our body have to replaced by new cell from the red bone marrow, present in the end of long bone and in flat and irregular bones. They passes through several stages of development before entering the blood. Their lifespan in the circulation is about 120 days, means 120 days, and there are approximately 30 trillion red blood cells in an average human body. About 25% of body's total cell count and 1% mainly older cells are cleared and destroyed daily. It means the red blood cell do not have nucleus, so we have to replace it by time to time. So the lifespan of red blood cell is 120 days, and it can be replaced by the red bone marrow. नेक्स्ट हम लोग पढ़ते हैं हीमोग्लोबिन. Hemoglobin is a large complex molecule consisting a globular protein called globulin and a pigmented iron containing complex called heme. Each hemoglobin molecule contains 4 globulin chain and 4 heme unit, each with 1 atom of iron. It means as each atom of iron can be combined with an oxygen molecule. This means that a single hemoglobin molecule can carry up to 4 molecules of oxygen. An average red blood cell carry about 280 million hemoglobin molecules, giving each cell a theoretical oxygen carrying capacity to over a billion oxygen molecule. It means hemoglobin play an important role for carrying oxygen from one body part to the another body part. नेक्स्ट हम लोग पढ़ते हैं ऑक्सीजन ट्रांसपोर्ट. When all 4 oxygen binding site of a hemoglobin molecule are full, it is described as saturated. Hemoglobin binds reversely to oxygen to form oxyhemoglobin according to the equation. It means when hemoglobin plus oxygen both are combined, then this combination is called oxyhemoglobin. नेक्स्ट हम लोग पढ़ते हैं कंट्रोल ऑफ इरिथ्रोपोइसिस. पढ़ते हैं कंट्रोल ऑफ इरिथ्रोपोइसिस. रेड सेल नंबर्स remain fairly constant because the bone marrow produces erythrocytes at the rate at which they are destroyed. This is due to a homeostatic negative feedback mechanism. The hormone that regulates red blood cell production is erythropoietin, produced mainly by the kidney. सो आज की इस वीडियो में हम लोगों ने हाफ पार्ट ऑफ द ब्लड कंप्लीट किया. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए गुड बाय.